Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to archive old transactions on QuickBooks. Archiving old transactions in QuickBooks is going to help to improve performance and keep reports cleaner while still retaining records for compliance. Let's get into how to do it. So first step is to create a backup. You want to go to File and then Backup Company. And then you're going to save a copy before making any major changes. Step 2 is to use the condensed data tool. This is of course for the QuickBooks desktop version. Just go to File, Utility, Condensed Data, and then you want to select Remove Transactions before a specific date, and then choose whether to keep Summary Journal Entry. Step 3 is for QuickBooks Online. For QuickBooks Online, it doesn't allow archiving transactions. Instead, you can export old data via reports, export to Excel, and then delete archives outside QuickBooks Online. Step 4 is for store archives securely. To store archives securely, you want to save condensed or exported files in a secure location for references. A pro tip is to always consult your accountant before removing historical transactions for compliance reasons. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.